I'm Dee.
I'm Dory.
We are the Design Dreamers.
Design Dreamers. And we have a message for you today. Be awesome!
Yeah, be totally awesome.
Okay, so now we will show you a fabric haul. There was a community thrift store that I went to that was having half off. I like that because it's already at a thrift price, and then half off makes it even better. So I got some binding and seam tape, and there's in here 8 of them. And at first I was like, oh, $2 for 8, but it was half off. So it was $1 for 8. So then that was a really good price for that.
No.
And so this kind of thing you can use, like if you don't want to use spacing, right?
Right.
You can use the seam tape or the bias tape. And
You can actually use some of the, like you have some lacy seam tape to finish off your seams to make them more decorative and more polished and finished.
decorative.
Or you could use them to hem. Also, you can sew it on the
idea.
bottom so it doesn't have a lot of bulk, because some fabrics are thick, and then you can use it coordinating or contrasting, however you want to make your item look. That's the fun part about sewing. You can do what you want, because it's your piece of clothing you're making.
Yes. Okay, and then I will show you all the fabric I got because it was at half off. So this is 2.5 yards. It was $5 marked down to $2.50.
That's like a chalet too. It's really a nice
So
flow.
isn't that pretty? Another red. I see a theme here. Yeah, but unlike my sister, I have no idea what I'm going to make out of it, but I'm sure I will use it sometime in my life.
So this was $2.50 for 2.5 yards.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay. Yes. Okay. I got quite a few because they were at such a good price.
So you stacked up.
I did stock up. This is 2 yards and it's by 60 inches, so that means how wide it is. And so the wider it is, you're actually getting more fabric. And so this was $2. What do you think of this one?
That's like a chalet. Also.
Another
That's
chalet.
It's a really
I thought
nice
a chalet was a place that you went in, like a cabin. No?
a nice little decorative place.
Yeah. Okay. This one was also 2.5 yards by 60.
I don't like that one. I'm not crazy about it.
I will not make my sister an outfit in this. Here, you open it. Well, I get another one since you don't
Probably
like that.
needs scissors.
That one's like tied with the wrong kind of ribbon.
It is.
Okay, so then I got this one here. This doesn't say how wide this one is. This was 3 yards, and it was $3. This is a real light, summery. Is this considered? Are cottons woven?
Yes.
This is kind of sheerer than I thought it would be.
It is sheer. You'll need to wear a cami under that if you make a top. And this definitely has some. You can tell there's sizing in this.
Oh, so
because once this wash up, it'll get a lot more fluid with its movement.
Fluid, I like that. I was going to say limp.
No, fluid.
Fluid.
Fluid sounds much better.
Oh, did you get that open?
I did.
Good.
I cut it.
All right, then we can take an actual look at it. So,
I still don't like it.
she still doesn't like it. I think it's cute.
It is. It's pretty fabric.
nice.
Yes, and when I wash it and iron it, it will look nice.
Okay.
Okay, then there's this one here.
Well,
This one is another 60 wide, and it's 3 yards, and I paid $3 for
that's
it.
quite the polyester.
It's quite the polyester, which does not mean it stretches. It doesn't have any stretch in it. But, oh, it's more red again.
That's all right. Nothing
can I
wrong with
say?
red.
What can I
That'll
say?
make some nice slacks or a nice dress. That's is that the same fabric?
No, it's not. It's not the same fabric.
Okay.
But the same person probably put it in there. So this is 2.5 yards. I paid $2.50 for it. And this is this fabric here.
Yeah, this is really drapey. It's like another chalet. This will be a beautiful dress, actually. This would make a nice dress. Do you have enough to do it?
Yeah, there's 2.5 yards here.
60 wide?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Nice, nice.
And the last one is a real knit. Like, I was thinking maybe like a...
You want scissors? No.
Oh no, I don't need scissors.
You can reuse that ribbon.
Okay. Oh, good. See? So this is, I was thinking a sweater.
You can,
Like
yes.
a long sweater.
Yeah.
I like the long sweaters.
Or even, yeah.
Like what you had, that pattern. So this is 3 yards by 60, and I paid
Nice.
$3 for it.
Something like
But
that.
I like it a lot. This stretches. Stretch. Yeah.
Yeah, so you'll have to Make
Yes.
sure that you sew that up with the proper stitch length.
Okay.
Proper stitches.
Proper stitches.
Yeah. So it doesn't come apart on you, or it doesn't.
Yes. See, the older you are, the more
buckle.
you know about
Hey,
these
hey.
things.
Yes, with the age. There she goes.
There I am. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for my fabric haul. You got a few more things to show for our fabric haul before we say adios?
Oh, I just got a couple things for one's for my top. I found this, and I'm sorry I don't have the price on this. I took and laundered them and got rid of the price. But this is a very nice
Ooh, it's very nice.
polyester. I'm gonna make
love
a
the
top
colors.
out of this,
Mmm.
and for the summer, it's really gonna be a nice top for me to wear.
This looks like something I've colored in my coloring pictures.
Maybe so.
Yeah. So,
And then I did pick this up.
yeah, I like it.
Mama.
It's got black in it.
It does. It's black in it. My
likes
favorite
black.
color.
I've got all these reds. You got black.
There's pink in here and
Yes,
green
yes.
in here.
Okay.
But I have, this is 6 3/4 of a yard.
Yeah.
I don't know what the person who bought this was going to do with it.
That's a lot
But
of
I
red.
paid $6 for it.
Whoa, that's good.
It's really nice polyester. I think, yeah, you can see that. It's really nice. And so I can make a nice full flowy dress, and out of that pattern, like I showed you earlier, I could make a dress like this. And they would look like 2 different dresses.
Yeah,
So
fabric makes all the difference.
it does. It makes all the difference. And you want to always try to get a good quality fabric. Like we went today looking for some more thrifting, and some of the fabric they had out there was not worth buying, even at a discount.
Yeah.
So you need to be cautious when you do that. If you buy something that you're not going to use, it's not really thrifting unless you have a love of fabric and you just kind of like your stashes.
Yeah.
But we all need to be aware of reuse and
No,
repurpose.
Mama.
So, anyway, this is a quick video, hopefully. Hopefully you enjoyed our finds.
Yes, please
was
subscribe so that you can see our next ones and see some of the things we make with some of the things that we found, and put some comments in. And until we see you next time, have an awesome day. Be awesome
totally awesome
today.
today. All right,
See ya.
bye.
Oh, hey, real quick, if you stay on for a minute, you can see a takeout that we did.
Is it going?
It is. Hello, I'm Dory, and this is Dee, and we're the Design Dreamers.
Big on the dreaming.
Yes.
Hey,
This is for you guys.
you got it wrong.
No, it